Welcome to Indian Edu channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about IIIT Hyderabad 2024 admissions through Inter or 10+2 marks. Let us discuss the complete details in this video. If you are watching the channel for the first time, subscribe the channel and share it to your friends so that some of your friends would get benefited. So IIIT has 7 types of different procedures for admission into its different B.Tech or dual degree programs, and out of this, board's channel of admission is one of the procedures, and through this mode you will get admission into dual degree program. So dual degree means you will get both B.Tech degree as well as MS degree in 5 years. Generally, if you want to do MS degree separately, it will take 6 years. B.Tech takes 4 years as well as MS takes 6 years. But if you join through this dual degree program, within 5 years you are going to get both B.Tech as well as MS degrees. So IIIT through this board's channel mode gives admissions into dual degree program. The different programs available are CND, so which is B.Tech in Computer Science and Master of Science by Research in Computational Natural Sciences. The second program through this mode is CHD, which is B.Tech in Computer Science and Master of Science by Research in Computing and Human Sciences. So the important dates are, the applications have already been opened and the last date to apply is 6th June 2024, and directly there will be interviews. So there is no exam through this mode. You will be shortlisted based on your applications and interviews will be conducted from 19th to 20th June 2024. So the application fee is 2000 rupees. Those who have got more than 90% in class 12th marks in mathematics are eligible to apply, and if you have 90% or more marks in mathematics, then there are 2 categories. In the first category, you should have 90% or more in groups, that is maths, physics and chemistry subjects. Then you are eligible to take admission in CND program. So CND program means B.Tech in Computer Science and Master of Science by Computational Natural Sciences. Similarly, if you have 90% or more in mathematics and 85% aggregate in both subjects, maths as well as one of the subjects from history, political sciences, geography, economics, English elective or sociology, then you are eligible to apply for CHD program. So CHD program means it is B.Tech in Computer Science and Master of Science by Research in Computing and Human Sciences. And students who have completed their intermediate or class 12 in 2023 or earlier are not eligible to apply through this mode. Those who are going to be shortlisted will have to face the interview, and interviews will be conducted from 19th to 20th June 2024, and interviews will be conducted online. You need not visit the campus. Hostel fee and mess fee are extra, and those who are going to get selected will have to pay 2 lakhs, that means 1 semester fee along with 10,000 rupees non-refundable fee. If you pay 2 lakhs 10,000, then only your seat will be confirmed. So it is very good institution, top IIIT in India. So you apply, and once you get admission, don't miss the opportunity. I hope you have understood. You share this video to your friends so that some of your friends would get benefited. Thank you.